Hi everyone, here we've got a Poco X3 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to tap on the settings and now let's scroll down to find wallpaper. And as you can see here we've got some albums to choose from. We can choose something from pre-installed wallpapers, some from live wallpapers or online wallpapers. In order to choose something from this section, make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. But let me pick something from defaultly installed ones. And here we've got also a lot of options to choose from. If you want to see how the particular wallpaper will look like after applying, simply tap on it, for example this one, and tap on it again, and this is how it will look like after setting it as a wallpaper. So if you're ready, click on apply, and now we can decide where we want to set it. We can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. So let me pick both. Now let's get back to the home page, and as you can see, it immediately changes. So that's it. This is how to change wallpaper in your Poco X3. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.